Today, I'll walk you through how to create and use surveys on Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your surveys so you can gather valuable feedback from your audience. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be user-friendly. Next, click on the option to continue with Google. This will allow you to log in quickly and securely. If you don't see this option, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on your dashboard. This is your gateway to starting new projects. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various options for creating content. Now select Surveys from the available options. This is where you can start crafting your survey to engage with your audience effectively. If you're unsure about what to ask, think of it like planning a dinner party. You want to know what your guests enjoy. Next, you have the choice to create your survey from scratch or choose from existing templates. If you're pressed for time, templates can be a great way to get started quickly. Click on your preferred option to proceed. Now click on Create Survey. This is where you'll begin to define the purpose of your survey. Give your survey a name that reflects its content and click on Begin. This step is crucial. It sets the tone for what you want to learn from your audience. Once you're in the survey editor, customize your survey questions. Think about what information will be most valuable to you. Once you're satisfied with your questions, click on Continue to Design. Here you can customize the look of your survey. Choose colors and styles that align with your brand. After you're done, click on Continue to Settings. In the settings, you'll finalize the details of your survey. Once everything looks good, click on Continue. Now it's time to share your survey. Click on Get Started to send via email. This is where you can reach out to your audience directly. Finally, click on Save and Exit, and then send your survey. Congratulations, you've just created and sent a survey using Mailchimp. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.